Just Nürburgring things. Deer running in the morning. Oh look! Oh wow! Pancake is not chasing them because yeah. In any case, just fooling around because I love how people sometimes try to educate me how to teach or raise my dog or take care of my dog. But good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a very cold and frosty Nürburgring. As you can see, I'm actually wearing my jacket, my Apex Media jacket, because I lost the taxi jacket somewhere, I think. Well, I just need to find it. Until I found it, it's lost. And what I want to say, it is actually cold. Look at that. The cars are covered in ice because overnight it was -2 degrees already. I love this MP412C, especially in the silver color. Also nice license plate. But yeah, and also, is it a frozen gray color? Do we need to make that joke? Yeah, we could probably make that joke. In yesterday's video, we did, yeah, I'm wearing a jacket and still my slippers. Anyway, in yesterday's video, we did laps with 993, and I told you tomorrow we're gonna fix the brake issue, do more laps, lots of more laps, because it was supposed to be Sunday. The Sunday still happened, but it was right now, it was already yesterday, because on a Sunday morning, I received a phone call from a very good friend of mine who had some personal issues that I needed to help solve, and thereby I was not even at Nürburgring, so there were no laps, and that's why right now we are going to Manthey-Racing to bring the 993 there, the first thing, and then see how the rest of the day is going to develop. Hopefully it will be a bit warmer, because I also want to check out maybe some industry pool and maybe some other things. Oh yeah, by the way, yesterday it was also Time Attack Championship. The only thing that I could see was a massive traffic jam all the way from ED up to the GP track. Morning cars, nice and warm inside. Let's get them out quickly. New Porsche. And a classic Porsche. I love the sound. Good morning, Manthey-Racing. I love it more. Bye, 993. Hello, Marta. Bye, up. No, in case you missed the video, my M5 is not named after this Marta, the Apex Marta, but after Rima's Marta. Hello? Oh, hearing protection and everything. Hearing protection and everything.
Yeah,
that's good. Yeah, it's also Monday morning. We don't need that kind of negativity in our life.
Exactly, I don't want to hear anyone.
What are you doing today?
I want to check because it smells like a little bit of coolant, so we're gonna check.
Oh, fuck. It is actually very loud because this whole metal plate is resonating the sound. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's just residue coming out the subframe. I'm gonna take all pipes off. It sits in the subframe for a while.
Another interesting update. This just came in, and I'm expecting a few packages, but as I was starting to unpack it, I had no clue what this is until I unpacked this. I'm like, oh, lamps. So someone sent me actually lamps following the video of the GT4 RS, where I complained that in low light performance it wouldn't work. You want some light?
Where's this from?
I don't know. Someone sent it to me.
China.
Well, yeah, that's that part, but we now can do midnight videos. One taxi out, other taxi in. Not figuratively out, luckily. Hello there. Who peed on the floor from happiness? Not cool. That looks quite different in comparison to the 993. In case you missed the video where we explain all the mods and show you how it all looks like, make sure to check it out. For starters, I really love the carbon fiber sway bar on the GT2 RS. I think it's only on the Weissach package that you get them in carbon, but it's ridiculous. I think the fronts are carbon as well. Yeah, over here. And almost completely flat floor. Well, it is a flat floor. And the guide elements. So if the car is too fast, you just lower the speed through the shock. More cars are in line to get their Monday post-weekend TF checkup. And I'm not sure if you've seen the livery on the Golf, because Golf is now back, so it has matching stickers with the Pro Tracks. I really like it. Previously it was red, now it is silver. Now a lot of people have asked the question, why did you put the Golf instead of the Polo, whereas in the beginning we said the Polo, we're putting the Polo and taking the Golf out because we believe the Polo is a better platform for the Nürburgring. Well, partially we still agree that Polo is better because it's lighter, it's more nimble, it's also less powerful, thereby for the majority of our clientele it is a better car. However, the issue that we were having with the Polo is that the rear axle, which is a sturdy axle, whereas here you have independent suspension, the both wheels are independent, the rear axle beam was like tearing every couple of 1,000 kilometers with the hard use, especially if customers would go on the curbstones, etc. So that was a big issue. The gearbox also needed quite some maintenance, and in the long run it just makes more sense to run, well, from a business perspective, this car to avoid high maintenance costs on the Polo, because it's just simply built as like not, well, as a car that shouldn't be taking that much more abuse than the Golf. And this is why we put this in, to make sure that the car will just run continuously. So just a quick explanation, I hope it all makes sense. And now let's go to the gym, which I will not be filming. Maybe at some point, because we did it in the hotel, but it was just like lack of content and kind of fun things. Should I make a fitness video? Let me know in the comments. All the movements.
Took my fingers to ball.
No, I already been at Manthey-Racing, I don't need to go there. Oh, I wonder which one that is, but another time. It's, by the way, definitely weather for heated steering and heated seats at this point. I love how Polestar 2 has 3 different levels of, well, not only seat heating, but also steering wheel heating. Funny thing, I rolled away and it felt like, where did all the power go? But it's not the power, it's the car has one pedal drive, which was activated by Robert, who test drove the car, because he's actually thinking of getting 1 or 4. And yeah, he likes to use one pedal drive, I don't. So now we can have the normal throttle response, so to say. With one pedal drive, basically what happens, you almost pretty much don't need to use the brake pedal anymore, because as soon as you let go of the accelerator, the car brakes a lot by itself. Yeah. Fast forward, already been to the gym, back and biceps day. Yeah. Okay, all the flexes aside. The one update, literal update. When I got in the car, I saw that we have an update. So let's install it now. I wonder if it's gonna tell me what it is. Confirm that it's start installation, leave and lock the car. Estimate installation up to 1.5 hours. During the installation, you'll not be able to access or... Yeah, okay, so we confirm. Leave and lock the car now. All right, let's go. Enjoy the update, I guess. Well, we'll come back in 1.5 hours and see what's up. Fast forward into the evening, and we're going for our evening walk and see if we can still catch some prototypes in this triple session. At the M-Test Center, it's quite busy, quite occupied. Lots of 7 Series. I haven't seen that car yet before. Updated 8 Series. Those 7s are electric.
Mommy.
Found a friend. car is driving. Guess all the cars, well, not only they come back in one piece because they didn't go anywhere, but they are in better piece because they had some maintenance today. Let me unstrap you. Stop, stay. That's the best command you can teach a dog, to say stay. Like, here, go around to George. Go. Stay. There you go. Go. Just a demonstration, again, for people who might say like, oh no, what if a squirrel crosses the road and she's gonna chase it and get hit by a car? Yeah, cars gotten some maintenance done to them. Unfortunately, I missed out on industry pool because I had a lot of other things to do, but we still have a full week. I believe the GT3 RS is testing and doing some laps, and who knows, maybe a record attempt. Should do some because the release needs to happen soon. That's pretty much it. For the rest, it's been a cool vlog, cool day, easy day, pancake day, bit of George day, not too much. Got a balance pink, but we will actually have quite a big George day soon because the Sub 7-Up will be getting some maintenance done to it, and it's also for sale by Philip after using it for 2 years, I think. So I think we should do a lap and talk about it. Also, the GR Yaris, I forgot, I don't care. The white car, all-wheel drive and manual gearbox, is getting inventory intake. So we're gonna install that. There's going to be that and a lot more other videos. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. And also a race soon with a Cupra. Yeah, 3-hour race in 5 times time. Excited. All of the excites. All right, let's finish the day with a cold start. You need to open from the other side. She's a passenger. Come. Get in. Now all the comments incoming. You should buckle her up, because imagine if a meteorite falls out of the sky and you never know, and if George brakes too hard, or if the accelerator pedal gets stuck and they all crash into the GT2 RS. Oh no!